Hello everyone, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning a smart key. I think those the smart key module is for Toyota Vellfire, I think, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to try to get all the information from this and write it back to the new module. As you can see, the both module is exactly same part number and it's marked as old and new. We start with this. I'm going to take that one here. I'm going to concentrate on that one to see if we can clone this module. Yeah, as you can see guys, this module is exactly it came like this. It looks like someone been here already. As you can see, this is a new module. It does have to click here, but this one comes exactly like this. So I'm gonna leave that one here for now, and yeah, I'm gonna try to see if we can find the Immobilizer data on this module, and I think that's the actual EEPROM. We need to concentrate on it. I think that's all the Immobilizer information just right here. Let me just put that one under microscope. Guys, let me just zoom it. As you can see guys, this is 93C86. This is the actual right EEPROM, which is all the Immobilizer data. So I think we can read this EEPROM with the VVDIProg. So let me get my VVDIProg and then to see if we can get that information out. Alright, I'm going to use a clip to get the EEPROM. So that's pin one, it's just that one here. So that should be fine. So let's go back to my laptop. So let me just zoom a little bit, and then you can see better. So we go to the VVDIProg. From here we're gonna go to EEPROM and flash, and then we go to SD, and from here we're gonna look for 9386. So 9386 is gonna be all the way down. 9386, that's the one. So we're gonna say read. Yeah, that's it, very nice. So we're gonna just verify to make sure we got good file, good reading. That's as you can see guys, is successful. So now we're gonna save this. So I'm going to save this one on my desktop for now, here, and I just put that one ORG. Save that one here. So let me make sure we got the file. As you can see guys, this is actual file. That's all the information is here. Nice. So yeah, so that's good. So what we're going to do now, we got all the information from the smart key module, so we don't need this one anymore. So we're gonna put that one back here. Now we're gonna try to open this. That's very easy. Just one click here like this, and another one here as well, and then yeah, that comes off. This is the second hand or new module. So, and this is actual EEPROM. So let me put my my clip on the EEPROM. Alright, that's nice. So let's go back to the laptop again. So now we're gonna read the EEPROM again to make sure we got good communication with the EEPROM. Alright, so verify. Alright, so now we're gonna save this one as a donor. We just save that one. So I'm gonna minimize this. So we got both file here. So I'm going to open this, and this is the donor. As you can see, guys, you can compare. It's completely different, and that's all the IMMO data. That's nice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to the VVDIProg. So we just close this, we just go open, we go to the desktop and look for the original file, which is that one here. That's the one. Alright, so now we're gonna say write, continue to write, yes. Now erasing the EEPROM. Now it's writing the original EEPROM. Now checking, erasing again, and writing. That's successful. So we're gonna say verify, okay. So we're gonna save this one, actually close this one, and I read again. We're gonna make sure we have exactly right reading. So now I'm going to save this one as a new save. Also now I'm gonna, this is the actual original file and this is the new file. So first I open the original file and I'm gonna put the new file here. As you can see, guys, everything nice, everything exactly same, all the data exactly same. That's good. So I'm gonna put everything back and pass the module to the customer, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.